Is it record అయితోందా? అయితోందా? I don't know. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am trying a new angle. I don't know how much of my voice goes into that speaker, but still, today I am going to speak about um, today I am going to speak about harsh truths of society that no one tells you. You will experience it by practicing living in the society. So I will be telling you some harsh truths which I learned about this society. Most of you people might think that why I am speaking in English in my YouTube videos. The first thing, I speak in English because I want to improve communicating in English without any filler words, so that way it helps me for my future. That's why I'm using English more. And second thing, I want my videos to reach wider range of audiences. So say, even though my mother tongue is Telugu, if I do videos only in Telugu, it might be there for only limited number of audiences. So that's why I decided to speak in English, even though it is tough for me to speak, especially without any filler words. So that's why I am speaking in English only. And yeah, coming to our video, harsh truths of society. The first and foremost one is, people will forget you. Yes, people will forget you. Whether you post something online or not, whether you remove your DP or change your DP into something very flashy, they will definitely forget you. And this is a kind of blessing for you. Earlier, I used to think that, and not only earlier, still now I am thinking that if I don't move forward in my life, no one will take care about me, or no one will discuss about me, or no one will but still, it is a kind of blessing for me to experiment or to do whatever I wish. So yeah, people will definitely forget you, and it is a blessing for you. Second one is, they will judge you anyway. People will judge you, society will judge you for what you are doing, for what stream you are taking, for what kind of course you are studying, or if you want to quit something and join into something, or etc etc. They will definitely judge you, because because they have an opinion which they can put forth, not because they hate you. So I realized that self-realization is better than self-realization. Just now I realized the biggest truth, which is my mother is saying since so many days. That's why self-realization is important. So yeah, they will judge you not because they hate you, because they have a opinion which they are putting forth. So you don't have to take that opinion inside you and worry. Simple. So these are the two truths which I learned about the society as being a part of it, since I think 2 or 3 years. Because earlier I was a teenager, and now I have a kind of, I grown up into an adult. So it's been 2 years, because I'm counting since 2020, 21, and now I am 22. So since 2 years I learned these two truths. I think while I become 30, I think I will learn so many truths about society by doing my part in it. So that's it for this video. This video will be very small. I think 3 to 4 minutes, because I did not wrote any script for this video to speak on. So that's it, guys. Hope this new angle looks good. I think I look good in this new angle. I'm It's been great task to speak in front of camera without being without being nervous about oneself. It took me a lot of time to learn how to speak in front of camera without fearing or without feeling nervous and all. Yeah. So bye. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. I think it is kind of overrated to say, but still, at least comment, and yeah, bye.